prep work for all the stone. You can see the stone here. And if you remember the cabin before, it went up about 5 feet and then there was a mantle. Took the mantle out and it's going all the way up to the ceiling. That's going to be pretty sweet. Am I good to come around? I'll take a peek. All right. I feel like the little specks of like rust that you get in there ties it in really nice with some wood.
So we're working with this awesome Idaho-based company called Faraway Lovely, and they make these incredible animal head busts that we want to put in our cabin for the fireplace. And they scavenge sourced all of the antlers from antlers that have been shedded from moose and buck. Then they wrap these molded heads in Pendleton blankets. And so it's like all of the coolest cabin vibes in one. And so right now we're just trying to figure out what size is going to work for our fireplace best, and then also what Pendleton blanket we want to use, which is a fun task. Oh my gosh. What?
That's better.
So nice.
Everything is really coming along up here. All the stonework is done. They have pretty much moved downstairs, so as soon as we get back from our trip, kitchen is our next thing, but right now we're just taking some pictures and admiring the work they've done.